Hey there, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a traditional Bulgarian eggplant spread. All right, so I have my fire going on here because we're gonna fire roast the ingredients. We have some fresh eggplants and Bulgarian red peppers. So we just made some traditional Bulgarian banitsa. Banitsa is like a pie that's filled with Bulgarian feta cheese and spinach. And I'm definitely going to show you in later videos how to make that. Meanwhile, my fire is almost ready and we're about to put the peppers and the eggplant on the barbecue. All right, here is the banitsa. Listen to this perfect crunchy sound. All right, time to put the eggplant on the fire. All right. I want to show you something that's really essential for this recipe. Do you see the smoke? All this smoke from the charcoal while roasting the eggplant and the peppers gives it a distinct smoky flavor, which cannot be replicated if you cook the eggplant and the pepper in the oven. All right, so the barbecue is going. Do you hear that hissing sound? That's the eggplants char grilling and smoking. All right, so while this is going, we can also put some meat on the grill. So we have something to snack on while this is cooking. This is a pork belly. It's the same cut from which bacon is made. And it's really nice when you make it on the grill. This is what the eggplant looks like when it's roasted. So as you can see, we're doing the same thing with the peppers. They're getting some of that char and that smoke. And they're gonna get nice and smoky and delicious. I'm finishing the peppers and we're almost ready to go to the next stage. Now all we have to do is peel the peppers and the eggplant from the charred skin.
О, много са горещи. Едвам се търпи.
Отладжаните не са горещи.
Да, защото са отворени.
Малко за видеото. Alright, so this is what the eggplants and the peppers look when they're peeled, and now we're ready to go to the next stage. So next thing we have to do is cut and chop the red peppers. The eggplant is pretty soft, so you don't need to do a lot of work on it. It kind of falls apart, but the peppers need to be cut and chopped into small squares. The next two ingredients that we need to add is chopped parsley and diced peeled fresh tomatoes. All right, so the next thing we have to do is put some salt, vinegar and oil on the spread. So we're just going to put some salt like this. Стига ли?
Ами,
Още малко?
да. Сега слагай оцет и олио и ще опитваме да видим дали е.
All right, so this is the vinegar. This is apple vinegar, but you can use any kind of vinegar. I'm just gonna put a little bit and may have to add some more. And this is some oil. You can use any oil you like. Just gonna put some oil like this. And we mix it. Oh yeah. All right, now it's time to try it and see how we did with the salt and the oil and vinegar.
Ало? Иван нужда.
Какво правиш бе, меми?
Никаква там нищо.
All right, trying the spread. Let's see how we did. Okay, this is what it looks like. Perfectly delicious and smoky. I got some hot peppers from the garden. Wow. I can also put some balsamic vinegar on it. It's very nice with it. Like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Thank you.